Alright, so this is a demo of typing on an Xbox controller. The idea is that we're going to map each stick to basically half the keyboard, like one of those Microsoft Wave keyboards, and by wiggling the sticks, oops, wow, did not expect that word to show up. We're going to get words to show up on the screen. So let me go ahead and explain the crucifix, the corpus for this, the dictionary basically. There's another grim word. The dictionary for this is a copy of Bram Stoker's Dracula. So any word I type needs to be in that book basically. So I could type something morbid like, there we go. I can talk about castles, like that's one of my favorite words to test with. It works pretty well. We can say, I think this should be vampire. Yeah, great. It's a copy of the book downloaded from Gutenberg, so it has modern words in there. I think somewhere a license is referenced, or a license thing. They talk about a license thing. It has the word computer in it, so we can type computer. Anyhow, the idea with this is that we can build like a probabilistic typing technology for Xbox controllers, so something like Swipe for Android, where each individual thing you do, each individual input you provide, that's a funny word, each individual input you provide, the system isn't really an exact letter, but by providing like a bunch of inputs, you can type a full word. So on Swipe, that looks like maybe you draw like something like that, and that's the shape for cat. In this case, how we type cat is we take the left stick and we drag it down, then we take the left stick and we drag it left, and then we loop it up like that. So let's go ahead and try that. I might get bat or something, but there we go. That's a cat. Let's get a bat. Oh, whoops. Whoops, I need a space. Whoops, space. There we go. There we go. There's a bat. Okay, and yeah, like I said, how this is working is the sticks are mapped onto the keyboard like the left pads here, and we just do little loops in the directions of the letters we want. And the computer detects that, and with a bunch of loops put together, it can kind of make a guess as to what the most likely word was you typed. The right pad likely is centered over here, and you just draw the loops away from the center. See which letters you typed. I have space mapped basically down here. Anyhow, I think this would be like I think this is some technology like this is pretty easy. Like I'm not very familiar with this stuff, and I'm not the greatest natural language processing programmer by any stretch of the imagination. I don't even know if I qualify as one. But yeah, it'd be really great to see this on like an Xbox platform or a PlayStation platform, or even on the PC. Like I play a lot of games on the PC with my Xbox controller, and it's really annoying to have to. What the hell's a Bethnal? I don't even know. Maybe it's a name. I really don't know. After all, these things do come out of a book from whenever. Anyhow, yeah, even on Steam, like I don't like reaching for the keyboard and typing. I just want to, I want to be playing. I won't be playing Rocket League, and I want a GG. Well, GG isn't in the dictionary naturally, but I want to like send a polite GG to people, but that's not on the little chat wheel, and I have to reach for the keyboard to do it, and it kind of sucks. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed.